We're in the city of Northridge. On this project, we enclosed the front property for the customer. We added a sliding gate with a motor and about roughly around 18 panels. This project came out beautiful. Our product is 100% aluminum, 100% powder coated, 100% made in the USA. So here's the right side of the property. Everything nice and lined up. Now this project was completed in 2 days. We ran power. We put an operator here. I'll go ahead and show you guys how the gate operates. This is our new BFT operator with battery backup. It's estimated to open about 10 times when the power's off. Here's the inside view. This motor has a 20-second timer. Mailbox is the only thing that is left to complete here. And there you have it, guys. Another beautiful project by Mulholland.